Imagine Android as the brain of your smartphone. It consists of three main parts: the kernel, the middleware, and the applications. The kernel is the pulsating heart of the operating system, managing the hardware resources of the device. It's like the conductor of a musical opera, coordinating all the components of your smartphone. It controls the CPU, the memory, and ensures that everything runs smoothly. Additionally, the kernel is responsible for the drivers of various components, which means it knows how to make the camera, the touch screen, and many other parts of the device work. On the other hand, the middleware is like an interpreter that allows applications to communicate with the kernel. It offers libraries and tools that simplify the lives of developers. This intermediate layer takes care of things like managing internet connection, graphic rendering, and data security. Finally, the applications are the programs you see and use daily on your device. WhatsApp, Instagram, Gmail, all of these are applications. Imagine the middleware as the stage of a theater and the applications as the actors playing their roles. Android was introduced by Google in 2007 and has been growing steadily since then. Imagine this as a story of growth that starts with Cupcake and goes all the way to the recent Jelly Bean. Each new version of Android is like a new room in this ever-expanding house. With each iteration, Android becomes more powerful, faster, and more secure. New features and improvements are introduced in every version, from Froyo with support for Flash Player to KitKat with the introduction of Google Now. Each of these versions has brought innovations. It's like expanding a house to include a new room, adding new comforts and functionalities. What is the future of Android? It's like looking beyond the horizon. Android is exploring new territories and expanding its scope. Think of smart screens like the ones that manage your smart home. Android is also making its way into wearable devices like smartwatches and smart glasses. It's like Android is growing and learning to swim in deeper waters. Additionally, there is an increasing emphasis on artificial intelligence. Android devices are becoming smarter, learning from your behaviors and adapting to your needs. Voice interaction is another area of growth, with virtual assistants like Google Assistant becoming increasingly sophisticated. The future of Android is constantly evolving, and there is still so much to discover.